Hello YouTube, welcome to another video of Johnny's Garage. I'm currently sitting in my wife's Cube. It has a issue when you start the car. It has a bit of a rough idle. We didn't drive this car for about 4 weeks. It was hesitant to start, but after not driving it for 4 weeks, it got much worse. The car's done 125,000 Ks. I've removed the intake on these cars, but I've never actually taken the throttle body off. It's a new type design, not even new because this car's what, 2003. It's inside of the intake, like the plastic cover that you can't see it. You've actually got to take off the intake and it's under there. I think to buy them brand new they're about $800, so I don't really want to spend $800 on a $6,000 car. So hopefully we can take off the throttle body, give it a bit of a clean, whack it back together and see how she starts. On a cold start, which we'll do now, it dies. So you got to give it a little bit of gas, well, a little bit of the accelerator pedal to get it started. So we'll try that again. Still struggling. Oh man. And then once it gets going, a little bit of an irregular idle, but there you go, it's sitting at about 900 RPM. I have noticed when you're traveling along and you come to a stop, the RPMs they do drop down as if it was about to stall. Alright, let's see how we go. Woo! Let's take this negative terminal off because we're going to be taking it. There. Back here, undo that. Here is a breather pipe for the transmission, I think it is. Undo. So this here should just lift straight off, and under there will reveal the throttle body. So we can take this beast off, eh? 2, 3. Pull that one out. Okay. Place that there. And that one there. So far so good. And they all seem to be the same size, so it shouldn't matter how you put it back. Now, how does this come off? Oh, okay. So that there is attached to that. So does that pull through with it? Does that pull through? Oh, okay. So on this side here, it looks like you push that through. Whoa! It comes out. Okay, cool. Wow, so it looks like it's all just in. Looks like it's all just one sealed unit. It's even pop riveted here. We'll give this a bit of a clean out. Got a bit of gunk there, but like, what's got me is that it moves so freely that I think that would be too much of an issue, really. But you know, it's part of elimination, isn't it? So eliminate this, and we can work on the next bit. Bristles. So we try and see what we can do with this. And coming around the other side and cleaning the edges there too. Seems to be. I have taken that off before. Oh, that's right. That there is the mass airflow sensor underneath there. That could be another issue. These are actually really cheap. I think they use them across a whole range of different cars, and I think it's Is it Siemens? It's manufactured by Siemens. Alright, so we'll work this back on. Fingers crossed. It's something as simple as that, but like that moves really freely, so we'll see what happens. Very happy with that. That's it for the video. If you have any questions, drop us a comment and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. That's it. Thanks for watching.